Khubor Memorial Higher Secondary School umpling kalar Khuborom ya kesingi begerpang kikimi kpa ni ke Parents Day haplau jong ni ke school haga santrik naiweng arjar apsau. Hagani si lawan mendalang do CEM ke KHDC Baderu MDC ke Than ba penyat sing CEM kum kongsan nangta Sister Mabel Dakar Superior General ke Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco kum sembut kongsan Sister Julita ibadai principal ringkat kibai pat kilingdo kirunium ki khna school bar ki kimik pa ki bala shakhat sungba habakran hagan si UCM long baki habrit ki long ba kirkhu bat badan bok ban yo ki kimik pa ban yalam sha school ya ki khun hakni ka school kabadi kabai na ka school ka byang bha ka jingkai bar ki jing shakri ki sister kalong ka ba kirpang ki laitri ki jing e bo CM la yathu hakabai de ki habrit kani ka juk kalong ka jingpin bernya than ki khna hagi smartphone ka jingduna palat ki bapendep ya ka civil service examination bar ka jingsha khanglad banle ya kinu ki kam le kai sports naman na yeng nasem ki dan ki basha khanglad bagi kimik pa ki dan dakawi ki jingtmu yala ki khun
by the principal. Let us all give a round of applause.
Of the formation of a child is done at home and by your parents. The other 50% is done by the teachers in the school. The teachers will teach math, science and other subjects according to the syllabus. Besides that, the total education of a child does not depend on the subject matters. Much more than that is what you parents can give. Intellectually, the school, the staff, of course, they also teach politeness and the skills which will help a child to have a future. But much more than what is being imparted in the school, what you parents give at home, that is the primary, the basic and the most important thing you can give. What I'm going to tell, what you parents give to the children in the school, I don't say that the teachers are not giving. As I said, 50% both each the school and the family contribute to the 100% education formation of a child. You parents give them God first in the first place. We read in the Holy Bible, Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, it says, "Seek first the kingdom of God and everything will be given to you." Parents, you are very, very wise, very intelligent, because when you give God first to the children, half of your work is done. God is taking care of them. Through prayer, when you lift your children up to God, praying for them, blessing them, taking care of them in a very divine way. That is how you give God first to the children. And when they experience and they have God, wherever they go in life, they fare well. You parents give your time. And the most important thing the child needs is your time. When you have time to listen, to laugh, to hug, to embrace, to say, yes, very good, my child. That is the plus point. And the child will remember for the rest of his or her life. I used to observe how parents, especially a mother, having 3 children, still very small. Once you will be carrying here, another 2 will be standing beside the mother. Sometimes in between the child who is standing will keep pulling the child stamp or the cloth of the mother. Please carry me also. Please carry me also. I used to observe keenly how a mother who is very wise, she knows that all the children need love, need attention. attention. Sometimes she will put down the other one and will carry the other one for sometimes, or she will carry both of them or three of them, so that the child does not feel abandoned or neglected. I appreciate so much the understanding, the love, the wisdom the parents have towards their children.
Social media cover masih Kyntu ikut ban come straight si di phone ban penentang di mobile tentang di smartphone dan tek iba penentang dan tajihad si yang kerja tentang lelai tidak penentang Kedai kita dulu penentang dan tak kui ki penentang iba mentoy sini hak menjadi penentang ka social media tidak sini tentang Kyntu atau kami di kena tentang bangkran ini kampung show nama berkelah concentrate pelat full terjadi. Tiba lagi nama apa kalau pelat tentang kerja science technology. Ikna kilalong attract kilalong adik di mobile phone. Dengan shooting tu, make ban pendek pan dalam disiplin di pun hidupi. Nomor kini kami gawe kecike kami saya kemudian dari isnan di bawah tentang tempat suku. Mengenai kunci nom ikman kunci nom kawan masuk bagi nom sosial ini nom concern pada tamu di bawah ada sekali. De bab kebaan bab nama kini ketika juk jongka jingduk dari competition akidah hotel Nashpakan penjip ikmik paba kasir kejomi haka bayi ketika civil service examination haka national level IAS, IPS, IFS minta ajan umbak asnan nikran dan show IAS banyak jelah kejomi dengan Kyntu ikmik pa wakil lagi ikut di bagi dan interest aku kami ke state government di minta ladan di program tu healthcare. Aku ajilan tu serta di sama lagun di program di coaching program kiban penjebet di kena hadir pelajar mereka high secondary di pelajar mereka graduate di bawah dan net coaching dan minta civil service examination kila berbentuk jiwa berpapung di kehidupan. Nama kini kalau berengkam satu kata-kata. Nama ilah guna pelatih officers IS Khubor schedule kami. Nidanglah kami minta nidang satu balai sama. Deklah kan ban berdulur kami di policy standards dan department berkait lawan dan baru IS kita nama. Ini juga kan kunci nomor nombor berengkam dan pensyuri kami baru. Nama kalah dan tingkatan. Dengan Kyntu ikmik pa semua ban pepai ikut di hidup juga igal sab penuh kebenaran balik kata. But kebalai pak nasu waktu ban Kyntu ikmik pa pada kini ikut di igal sab ada sports activities lokal minta state government keladon di facilities sebagai di sports ke training ke coaching kila ban register bab kila ban penting syariah dalam kilo ikut nanti bagi dan sab atau program sporting activities dalam lah menjadi penting kilo pun ba kita nama ba bunsin ikmik fa kata ke jalan kata ni jelas ni dari lah hak berbunyi ikut benang besar hak berbut pada keadaan kuliah kila minansi bagi kawasan kata kalau berbagai nama ke government sector, ketika government job, ketika opportunity bagi orang serta terguna hak iba pas lalu kelas 9 hadut di degree berkait ibarat dan apply kam najla media akibat kumba tuwa hajar hakisna sebab di kekam kebalai ke government she hajar ketika permanent post, hakimnya community post, hakasisna, but she hajar like to be contractual post, ibayu lagi di government central aided fund. Tekamu total kalau 8,000 ikam hakasisna. But the students dari ikna ilala dan apply yang itu ikam hadir ke kelas 9, hadir ke ikam kemudian tu bahagian ko hajar ko hakasisna. Dekade kata penting kebagian apa dia kerja dia dengan competition. Dan hak bahaban guide hal ini ban baik bahai ikun makin lawan dan hakimu kan besar bagi parents yang di klinik pan yang akan suruh ban identify di ikun di dan handle dan handle. Dehoi hadir perawan dari new education policy kerana scam state government kerana ban shim di jingduk jong di schools healthcare ekonomi kai management jong school yang ban lima ban jaga kun kajuk pemerintah. But not only the students so ban maupun yang personally sih ikmit itpa kini belai apa percaya. They are gods on earth. Ladapi burung ni ikmit itpa kinyo kejadian berjong, kinyo kata berjong. Ke Bible telah tular dia kata belai nak tular ada kejadian. But ke Bible tu ke dalam kejadian bahwa Allah nak kipan, nak kiduna kejadian tu kipan boleh dan ada menurut kata dia kepada pihak dan struktur kunci students kidan akan dikerjakan pulih kepada internet kepada bahan kepada video jinikai kekinian baru dengan tendensi kan bahawa kimia hak bahawa jingduk tu berdoa jangan tolong bahawa pas bahawa di exam sudah one minute macam dan along the exams you are fair best wishes from my side to all the students. Trishkom, I kebhatam, pulih pathat, but kebasak di hawle.
Haga District Council. Hadir 1972, Shikmat Kelagan Kejung Kiba Board, bagi schools kilapek pada state government. Dehunrai wala kataru hadu kini bismi nakalian jong Khasi satu District Council. Niju yarap bagi skills repair dan haji yarap di schools dan tak infrastructure dan kenu ujian kam di keluar dan ada mentala di school buat senang bantu hai ya kenu jaka pulih nam tak juntoi di ikut ni dan ki program ki bangalet hakiwe kerjakan dengan yarap di school penting kebik pakai Sino mikmat wirap di school mengentai ini. Mengenai menyerap di school kemudian menyerap nanti kejimentai jadi kun jadi. Tiba pun pak di school saya nak tendang tiba dan hapo classroom hapo koridor sama pihak ban tak kasih hapo nama kerja slot. Dan mereka pun instrumen bangindan hari di school hari po Khubor Memorial High School ke infrastructure pelapian kuning. Bagi nang kuat siswa dan kampung bahar nak kementar kejimentoi jong kini students ni ikut jaki baru kita boleh ni boleh syukur boleh saja buat lebih baru.
Wala. First, round of applause please for our winners. Thank you. And in first place, Yabaharam Mukhe. Round of applause for the winners of the debate competition for class 9 and class 10, Chonmi, Evangeline, and Yabaharam.